Logs are typically the most expensive thing to store and index. However, some logs are only used for a single numerical value that contained within them. Rather than storing the log and only using a single value, store the individual value and archive the log. This is one of the powers of Coralogix. And remember, even if a log is archived, it can still be queried from dashboards and from the direct query page and many more locations. So I can take an example here of using events to metrics, which will convert a log into a metric. It looks for all block requests, and this metric is all about blocked AWS WAF actions. And then we can say, well, label it with the request URI, the host, the user agent, the rule group, rule name, and the action that was taken. And then we have it. We have a metric in place. And this will actually generate a really powerful set of metrics for us. Notice that this entire dashboard is powered by metrics queries. However, the metrics queries are, the metrics themselves are generated from logs. So you get all of the performance, low cost retention, visibility of metrics, time series power of metrics, without having to pay for any of that overhead associated with indexing and storing logs. These metrics, by the way, are stored in AWS S3 or in cloud storage in your account, which means that you can access this data dynamically as often as you want. Very, very low retention cost. Ingestion cost for metrics in Coralogix are very, very low as well. So what this means is that you can generate your metrics, save a ton of money, and make your life much, much easier by using this data. So this is just a really powerful way of cost optimizing, because rather than paying for the full log, or rather than paying to index the full log, you pay for the metric, which is a fraction of the cost. And as you can see here, you still get massive, massive visibility.